नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Lily Trivedi, and today I am going to give a lecture for B Pharma students, second SEM, and the subject is EVS, and the session today is natural resources and their associated problems, and today we are going to take water resources. Now, water is the life, as rightly said, we cannot survive without water, because water is an important part of our living being. For every living being, water is required. Now, water is continuously being produced through the hydrological cycle, and it falls again on the earth in the form of rain or snow, and passing through each living organism, it returns to the ocean. Much of the water evaporates and again goes into the atmosphere. Now, water, what are the uses of water and how it is being overexploited? Water is, as said, is absolutely essential for life. For human beings, we depend on water for every developmental activity, for drinking, irrigation, transportation, washing, even waste disposal, for industries and for coolants in thermal plants. Now, water shapes the Earth's surface and also regulates our climate. Now, we use water of two types. First is water withdrawal, which is taken up from the groundwater or surface water, and it is used for consumption and not returned for reuse. Now we have an increasing population and rapid development, industrialization as such. So 70% of the water is used for agriculture. In India, we use 93% of water, whereas in certain countries which are water poor are using only 4% for watering the crops. Water is a precious natural resource. 97% of water is salty. Only 3% is fresh water. So overuse of groundwater leads to lowering of water table and drying of wells. Now, if pollution is occur in this groundwater, it makes it unfit for consumption. River and streams have largely been polluted by the industrial units which are discharging their effluents into these and making them unfit. So sanitization of water is very much required. Now, groundwater is largely used, but what is the groundwater effect? Subsidence. If more water is withdrawn, then it is reused, it lowers the water table, and subsidence or the aquifer gets impacted. So structural damage to buildings is also caused. Lowering of water table is there. Water logging takes place as excessive irrigation leads to brackish water, as water logging and salinity problems arise. Because more water we are using for agriculture, which is salty water, after the evaporation of water, salt is present on the soil and it leads to salinity problem. Then surface water, not much surface water percolates down and therefore is lost through evaporation. Now, in some countries, floods are also taking place due to heavy rainfall, deforestation, overgrazing, rapid industrialization, and global warming. Now, these lead to rise in the incidence of floods. Now, as these rise, they cause massive damage. Second problem related to water is drought. Now, when annual rainfall is less than normal and evaporation is more, drought conditions are created. Now, they can be due to anthropogenic causes, that means due to human activities, or they can be due to environmental effect. So as a remedial measure, we need to control the water level table. The plant eucalyptus is known for lowering the water table because of its deep root and very high transpiration rate. Now, third is conflict of over water. Now, water has been a major problem for conflicts between countries, between states, between different, there is treaties. We have the Cauvery water dispute. We have the Indus water treaty between India and Pakistan, and the Satluj Yamuna link. So we have many water treaties, and they have been a source of conflict. Traditionally, water was through different water management systems, but now we are using many advanced forms. Dams have also been a benefit and a problem both. Now they have been environmentally problem, but a benefit for human beings. So students, I hope you have found my lecture interesting, and if you have any query, any problem, please comment in the comment section. It will be resolved soon. This session was powered by 2.0 digital version of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you very much. Namaskar.